This is the installation procedure for the Yale Keyed Touchscreen Deadbolt. To complete this procedure, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the existing lock hardware. Prep door if needed. Cross bore holes must be 2 1/8 inches in diameter. Edge bore holes must be 1 inch in diameter. Back set should be 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. Install the strike plate into the door frame. Secure with 2 strike screws. The Yale Keyed Touchscreen Deadbolt comes with an adjustable latch, so it can be installed on a door that has a back set of 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 inches. The latch is set at 2 3/8 inches when you remove it from the box. Ensure the latch is in the retracted and unlocked position to adjust. Adjust the latch to 2 3/4 inches if you require a longer length for installation. Slide the latch into the door with the up arrow facing upwards and secure with 2 latch screws. The deadbolt latch must be in the retracted, unlocked position. Please note the horizontal orientation of the internal mechanism that will allow the tailpiece to slide into place and properly engage the latch. Install the exterior keypad lock so it is flush with the door. Make sure you guide the wires under the latch. Remove the battery cover and the interior mounting plate from the inside piece of the lock. Guide the cable assembly through the cable hole in the interior mounting plate. Make sure it is flush with the door and straight before attaching with the 2 long through bolts. Connect the cable to the white connector, ensuring that the 2 white ridges on the cable are facing towards you. Guide the cable so that it sits under the hook. Install the inside piece of the lock, ensuring that the tail piece passes into the thumb turn shaft assembly. Ensure the wires are out of the way so the inside of the lock is flush with the gasket and door. Insert 2 mounting screws into the battery housing and 1 into the bottom of the inside piece of the lock. Test that the lock is working properly by turning the interior thumb turn several times. Test the deadbolt by locking and unlocking with the key provided several times. The Yale Keyed Touchscreen Deadbolt has an optional radio module that would be installed like shown. Insert 4 AA batteries. Be sure that the lock is in the retracted and unlocked position before installing the batteries. Reinstall the battery cover with the attached screw. The following steps will show you how to program your lock. Tap the lock with 3 fingers to wake it up. To create a 4 to 8 digit master PIN code, first press the gear key. Enter your 4 to 8 digit master PIN code, then press the gear key. Your master PIN code has now been created. Now you have to hand your lock. To do so, ensure the door is unlocked. Touch the keypad with 3 fingers. The latch will extend and now your lock has been handed. The following steps will show you how to create user PIN codes. Before creating user PIN codes, a master PIN code must be created. First, enter the master PIN code and press the gear key. Press 2, then press the gear key. Press 1, then press the gear key. Enter a 4 to 8 digit user PIN code, then press the gear key. The user PIN code has now been created. To unlock the door, enter the master or user PIN code followed by the check mark. We recommend a separate user PIN code for everyday use instead of using your master code to unlock your door. This concludes the installation procedure for the Yale Keyed Touchscreen Deadbolt.